everyone. My name is Vin Advani. I am the VP of Creative Concepts Manufacturing Group. So, Creative Concepts is a family-owned business. It started off from my father and passed on to my brother and to myself. We've been around for about 40 years. In short, we innovate, we manufacture, we distribute, and we think outside the box.
Lovely. So, now with the pandemic, right? Many of us are staying home. What kind of lifestyle products do you see most in demand recently?
So, as the working class are sitting at home, they're starting to look around their house. So, what we have seen as a trend is that they want to renovate their house, and so they're buying new stuff like new cookwares. The number one category that we've seen that is grown is beauty healthcare, because salons are closed, so women want to sit at home and
Yeah.
make their hair. The second one that we have seen is, which is surprising, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry of men's grooming. Men are actually sitting at home
Okay.
and actually doing something about it, So it's great. I mean, we learn as well, and that's the trend.
Right. Lovely. So, what's in the pipeline for Creative Concepts this year? What are you working on? What can we expect?
So we've actually been working on a technology called the GoTech technology. It's basically cordless. Cars have gone from gasoline to electric, so why not home products, right? So we work with an engineer. He's an ex-Rolls-Royce engineer to come up with a technology that we can use battery packs for daily products like hair dryers, irons, hair curlers, and so on. It was challenging. It took a year and a half to get it right, and you will have one breakthrough, and the next day you'll have 99 problems. So to just go through it, and technology is evolving every day, so we keep learning, and there's way more to come.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, Creative Concepts.